Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six not launching. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, first click here and then go to background apps. Now make sure to turn off the first option and then go back and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install any update if you find it. And now right click on Rainbow, properties, compatibility, and here go to run this program as administrator and check disable full screen, and then check the first option and go to Windows 8, click apply and OK, and that's it. After that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.